Okay guys, check out this Cyclone 212 that I got in the shop. I've been really dying to weld with one of these Everlast welders. I've seen nothing but good reviews about them. I'm so glad that we've partnered up with them here at the Welderup shop. A lot of the cool things that I like about it is they actually send you out a durable torch for this thing. You know, a lot of those other ones that come out are so thin and light that the machine actually puts out more voltage than the gun will take. This one here looks like you could really turn up some voltage on the machine. I think because it is a 212, you can actually weld some thicker material with it. It's got a nice flexible head and it's easy to use. You can get it in a spot and go to welding. So that's one of the things when you're in your shop, you're on the floor, you're underneath a car, you know, you're dragging this thing across the floor sometimes, and they do take a beating. So this thing is definitely a pretty tough little torch. Okay, I'm gonna try on a couple of passes with the new welder, see how she feels. I got it pretty much dialed into where I think it needs to be, so let's give it a wheel. Oh, one thing. If you can't see it, you can't weld it. Come on, some glasses. Oh yeah, it's got a nice little buzz to it. Nice little weld. Man, that makes welding fun right there. So yeah, when you got one dialed in, the timing's just perfect and everything feels good, it really puts it on a nice little weld. So it's consistent and it doesn't have any bobble in it at all. It's true. You can also get one of these cool little carts. It's got handles on it. It makes it a lot easier to roll it around the shop. And also with the welder comes a bunch of nozzles, tips, and everything that you need for your torch, which is really nice. So for those of you that are coming to the welding workshop, these are the new welders that we're gonna be using on the TIG side and the MIG side. So I'm excited, brand new machines. So get signed up, come to the course, and let's have some fun with these new machines. Hey guys, one of the great things that I like about the Everlast is the everlasting support that you can get directly from Everlast. Above and beyond all the other machines out there, you get the support that you need. You can call and talk to a human being and they will help you work through any problems that you have with the machine. I don't think you'll ever run into any problems. I literally plugged mine in and went to welding. So, but if there is an issue or you have a problem or you need a part or you want to add on to the machine, you can call and get support right away. That's one of the reasons why I want them in my course and with my students. When they take one home, they know that they got backup, and I love that.